Okay, today we have debate on whether a celebrity is good source of role model for or not. Whether we can consider a celebrity a good role model or not for the youth section. Correct? So we have debate on it, and this is the group side, group A, and this is the group B. A will take a negative side of this topic, and group B will take positive sides. Okay, let's start the debate. Correct? So from group A, would you like to start the class? Start the debate. You go.
The celebrities have a good image also and a bad image also. Sometimes the celebrities do the work which are not good for the society, not good for the people. They use their name in negative manner. They do illegal business. They break laws, and many times they divert people in a wrong direction. There are many people and the celebrities of government also political parties. The famous people of the political parties, they divert people. They give wrong information to the people so that they can get votes. They misuse their trust, and in some publics also, like the civil servants, some of are there who use their power in bad manner. They do a favor to the people who are rich, who have money, so that they get corrupted, so that they can get the money. So people who are famous sometimes misuse their everything, their stardom, their money, their name, fame.
Okay, very good. Okay. Counter argument from B side.
But there are also many celebrities who are doing very good work for the society, just like we have many examples like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, and at present time we also knew about Sonu Sood, who is an actor. He also gives a lot of immunity to the people who are migrants from one place to another place due to the pandemic situation. And they also support their family with economical crisis. And they give some gifts farmers, just like we are here in news about a farmer has two daughters and they use her daughter for the plowing the ground field. And Sonu should give his tractor for the plowing of the field. And there are many other also examples for the celebrities who are doing very good work. And celebrities also help us in many ways. Just like we are also changing our lifestyle. In earlier time, our lifestyle is not too good in comparison of Western sides. But this time our lifestyle is very changed because we are wearing clothes like Western sides. And we also learn it from the television that we see. And there are many other people who are living in a very spiritual life. We can also learn many things from them, like Gautam Buddha, that you are seeing, also known as the father of both dharmas. And he also learns us a lot of spiritual life, that how can we survive in a well manner.
Very good. Counter argument from side A. Now be serious.
Yes, sir.
It is not a duty, it is a debate where you have to stand your side.
What will the negative point of
No, you can't put
counter argument?
Yes. You can't ask question. This is not duty, this is a debate. You have to counter his argument. Whatever he spoke. Yes. Would you like to go? Okay, go on.
You told about the dress, the Western culture we are adopting. Because of them, we are losing our own cultural dresses. We are adopting the Western things, the Western style, the Western food, the Western dresses. But what about our culture, the Indian dresses, the Indian food and the Indian style? Because of the good, and you are telling we learn many good things from the pictures, what the movie they made. But many people are there, they take the negative things from them.
But I also said about spiritual life. That is all about our lifestyle, how can we survive here. And a spiritual.
They are changing our lifestyle, na? We are losing
I am
our
also
Indian
saying about
culture.
spiritual life. I am also saying about spiritual life. We can also survive in spiritual life. Just like we are also wearing a simple clothes, and we can also see in our locality there are many people who are living in a simple way. Then we can also. It is dependent upon our mind. How can we
But
survive in
our
this environment?
society is a follow for our celebrities, but our celebrity using Western culture for in our what region and what the
Let's go on. Very good.
what effect for our culture in our society what.
It also affect our cultures, but it is also improve in our development of our cultures.
But why was Western?
But because of that, we will lose our culture. The new young generation, they are following the
Because
traditional
everything is changing according to time. In the ancient time, we are living in a simple way, but time is going to modernized.
So you are telling we should leave our culture.
No, we should not leave our
We
culture.
should adopt the Western
We should
things.
generate our culture at the time of festivals. We can dress up our traditional dress. But in common days or in simple common days, we can wear Western dress, which is very comfortable for all the sections of the society. We can wear those traditional dress in the famous festivals or other events which are held on family or other area.
But our society is not follow for a festival traditional dress like it paint cows and every day we using Western dress. What?
Time to change in past and now is present, and it is very changed for before that culture that time. So
We can hear you that in West Bengal, so most in the case of Durga Puja, where Bengalis wear her own traditional dress, or other like Pongal or in which is
This is the thing that our cultural things have been separated. That at one time, at a particular time, we will wear that, but rest time we will follow the Western.
last time we
But the Western people, they don't do this. They follow their only. So we are changing, na? Because of them, we are changing our culture.
How the society follow for celebrity?
Time to time we have to change because our comfortability in the Western dress, so we can wear Western dress in daily ways, but in a traditional or in a festival or in other events we can wear those dress which are very popular or our traditional dress.
because our historical time is also
Our history is not
How-
the Western culture.
cause of this, because
First,
Because-
let him speak.
in history India's culture will low down due to foreign peoples like in European countries, France, Germany peoples are coming in India, and they doing very bad work in India, and they do down for peoples and their cultures. So we are not surviving that time, and our culture was not going upper level. So this is the count of that traditional dress, and now the Western dress is also running.
Okay. घनश्याम अंकित क्या बोलना है? सब बोलना शुरू कर दिया। अब तुम लोग गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन कर जाओगे। Go on, अब इसे काउंटर करो। नेगेटिव करो, तुम लोग कल्चर पे बह गए। ठीक है, वहीं पे रोक दो उसको। नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स। अब सेलिब्रेट।
If bad culture fuels shooting time, drugs
Good.
eat in bad one, in bad people's health. Believe
Go on, very good. Try to speak.
celebrities support people money in any festivals attempt and drugs and
ओके इसके पॉइंट को लेके आगे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ ठीक टेक हिज पॉइंट एंड एक्सप्लेन देयर शुड बी नो टाइम लैग
Most negative point of celebrity, it has taken drugs and it has, all the celebrity are arrested in money laundering
वेरी गुड
because it is a crime, money laundering and drugs, and many biggest celebrities are chat viral in drugs chat viral, and we said that it is a bad manner for our culture and our society because drugs are very dangerous for our health, and it's used for it injurious for health, our health, and we say that drugs is illegal for our country, and all celebrities are taking drugs in present time, just like Deepika Padukone, Neha Chakraborty, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor. These are not celebrities, these are druggists, and those lines are viral in कहते हैं ये दीवानी ड्रगिस्ट हो गई. It's a very famous line to viral all news channel, just like Republic Bharat. Arnab Goswami are very popular.
Is
And Arnab Goswami is very famous to find out all who people are taking drugs and who people are chance to money laundering. That's all.
ओके रोहित
First of all, I want to say that all the celebrities, such as actors or actresses, are not
Only actors, not actors.
actors. You have mentioned about actors, not actor.
It is actors. Actress.
नो लेट हिम स्पीक लेट हिम स्पीक
All actors are not proved to have drugs. There are a few people in Bollywood who consumes drugs, or in the series of this drugs peddling. Many actors such as Akshay Kumar is also our inspiration, who always inspires us for our fitness. He also pays taxes to government of India, and we can learn from him not to try to see the negative effect of Bollywood. We also should see towards positive sign of Bollywood. He mentioned about Sonu Sood. We can also take this example. Just as Sonu Sood helps the migrant workers to go to their house.
ओके
Sir, I want to
अंकित
give an example like in a
Okay.
world, only one piece is dead or one piece is bad. We cannot say that the whole pond is bad. So that then only one or two celebrities not getting good or they take drugs, we can't conclude that the whole celebrity or the actress is bad.
अंकित
How media said Bollywood is full of nepotism because
Media set up a point of view, not media set. Media set a point of view towards the whole society that is the about nepotism. Not media says that.
There are many actors who are belonging from the low family and they is increasing their which his merits, just like Shah Rukh Khan. and free Ayushman Khurrana, Ranveer Kapoor, Sushant Singh Rajput, they are also facing a lot of struggle in their life to achieve their achievement.
Ankit, try to counter his argument. Try to counter his argument. No, Ankit, let Ankit speak.
New movies reveal civilization and culture bad in people.
There is many things in the movies. Just like we are also seeing our life, how can we see, how can we improve our lifestyle, how can we maintain, how can we humor with our society. And we are also learn many things like how can we do with our family. There are also many movies are related to such family relations. And many movies are also learn many things. How can we do any work in a difficult situation like this Korean movie. And it is an example. Suicide is not a solution of any problem. We can also learn many things from them.
It gives
It is
inspiration
also
for
information about
people.
history like Manikarnika movie. From Manikarnika we learn many things from history. Also know about history more and more. Manikarnika movie is based on the lifestyle of Rani Lakshmibai, which is very famous. It is a historical movie.
By reading a book written on Rani Lakshmibai and that movie made. Just see it and read the book. There is many difference between them. Read it and see it.
Sometimes
No, it's not exactly true. What they're showing to us is not exactly true. And you are telling about the things they teach, and we are not telling that the negative things, the drugs and all, what they make effect on the people. So you are telling about the fitness. The actors, they show their fitness, and the common people, the people who follow them, the people who look them, the people who are crazy about them, they follow, they try to gain their fitness, they lose their time, they lose their money, and sometimes they use the wrong medicines to get that type of fitness, which harms their health very badly. This is the wrong thing they do. The wrong effect of that on the common people.
Go on, Pawan.
How can you that
Be silent, please. Like
that gives wrong way of fitness or wrong medicine? It's not true because
Go on Google, search. There are many people who try, even I have seen, there are many people who are trying to gain that type of fitness. They regularly go to gym, they just lose their money, they spend many times on gaining their fitness, they study the things, they leave it, and they only concentrate on their fitness, that they should also look smart so that girls will come to them. This is seen in the movie, na? The movie shows this. People.
Movie is real, not a real.
Let Pawan speak.
I understand that movie and other things. I want to tell you, movie is not true. You tell me right. It's imagine. You can imagine it, but all are not imagine. It is related to some movies are related to family, some movies are related to science and other things that give us a lot of entertainment and that give us a lot of information and other things. And as you tell me about when you see on Google that give that many bad information that on this platform, but you should understand all are not bad. You are educated person. If you have educated, then you choose
We all-
good or bad things.
We all are
Like that
educated.
Salman
We all are educated now. We follow a celebrity.
Yes.
He is very good. If he is doing ad of any product which is not good for health, which is not exactly that what they are telling, the people who follow him will go and buy that. If it is not of use or anything, but will go and buy that. This is the wastage of money. People do this. This is the wastage of money.
as you tell you should understand
Yes,
that
right.
all all are business. That's all are business. You are. You
But they
should-
misguide, na? They misguide the people. They
Yes.
misguide
Okay,
the
Vivek,
people.
go on.
I want to explain about it.
Your business.
They are doing such types of action for increasing the GDP. For increasing the GDP, because all the things that are doing, that is also a part of GDP. That advertisement is doing, that also paid money for that. We also paid taxes.
So
Listen,
for-
listen. And we also buy things, and that is also we paid GDP for that things, and it also increase our GDP. And that things that we made. You said about we all are educated. Educated means how can we make decision for a good thing, not a bad. Alright? Then if you are educated, then how can you doing many wrong things? What is the meaning of
The
education?
celebrity, they have that startup. People believe them. If they will tell that this is good, the people will think that
That
this
is not the means of
good. It is not the
education.
means.
But due to
Because the education person doesn't take
They
decision
believe
for
them, na?
success.
Believe is more
But-
educated person, not believe.
but that is not good, not bad for everywhere. But because salesman is also aware of many people, like women, and they are using that this is good for the
But
society and
many-
other people.
In society, many people have misused it. Okay, this scene, this whatever they saw, many people misused it.
Misuse them, but
They,
positive thing is
while
also
walking
there.
on road, they laugh on girls and all. They misuse it. They misuse
Misuse
it.
it, but positive thing is that we are at present, we are aware
We
of
are
many things
misusing it.
due to the celebrity and the ad also. We are aware at
Alright,
present.
Nitish, government stage, Asfa government stage. दोनों ही government, Vivek, you are also in government stage. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, let's start. Yo.
You tell about money Karnika. It is good face for in our society in Rani Lakshmi and whatever about for Hindi for movie for Karma and every person know about for Hindi what effect for in our country. So what society effect for it is not person good person in our what reason for movie for movies.
Right, go on.
There will always be a villain in a movie.
No villain. Film is totally faced for film, not villain. Our society is follow for celebrity, and I know every person is about what is good film and what effect for in our country in for bad manners and everything, and what we about for making.
When you read about Alauddin Khilji, you will get all the information about him because he is a very cruel person. And this very show in that film, you will see him and in history book also. So this is not a matter of argument.
Okay, Arus.
New
Arus.
movie,
Okay, very good.
new
Go on.
movie in young bad effect. That like movie song in a bad young bad effect in people in education.
No, it can't. We can't say the new movies are from the bad effect. New movies is based on new culture of society, which is people entertain from these new movies like.
New movie is no civilization and cultures.
But at this present time, the entertainment of the people or the mind of the entertainment of the people will change. So,
Entertainment of the people mind effective in movie.
In my opinion, you are living this moment 1947. Yeah. You say that you are living in 1947. No. It's 1920.
nowadays,
You
the
should understand.
entertainment of the
It's
people will change.
1920.
The mind of the people will change. Their entertainment is from different things. So new movies is based on new culture.
You should
manual there is one. Go on.
What will you say that new culture? And
Sir, don't pay market now.
what will you say that new movie are good?
Again, बहुत कम पार्टिसिपेट होता है, बहुत सा पार्टिसिपेट किया, आप
You should understand.
ठीक है?
You are a educated person. Remember, you are in this moment study in BSc, and you can choose a good movie and you can understand good movie or bad movie. If you want watch a good movie like related to science and family members and other comedian and etc., that you can watch that and get very well definitely and everything. Or you can't tell. You have no right to tell that all movies are bad and give us bad facts, because that's related to pure business, you can say, because each and every person wants to earn money, so that do bad.
We are not talking about movies bad effect. We are talking about celebrities bad effect.
Some celebrities are
Some celebrities-
Celebrities
but
bad
all are
effect.
not.
Movies
All are
are
not bad.
movies. Celebrities are celebrities. How much they show themselves in movie, how much they fight in different actions in movies. This gives bad effect on common people. Many people learn their styles of fighting and they try at home.
At this time in movie, we can hear a sound that we cannot try this or at home or in other places, because it is very harmful. It also gives, because he said in these scenes we can hear a voice that is we can't try this in home because it is very harmful. In most of the cases we hear news, so we can see that at this time we can't do this.
Saying and doing is different thing. If you will show something, it will do more effect on people and by saying it. Okay.
Those people whose mentality or those people who are uneducated or their mentality is too weak, that it is harmful
In
for
India,
us.
many people are uneducated. Many people are uneducated.
But in your recent time, you say about education, all of you are educated.
I haven't said this.
Yes, you said it.
I haven't said this.
You said this.
I haven't said this. All the people are educated.
Okay.
Movies are best.
And telling about things.
Okay, all right. Due to the paucity of time, ending, because we have to do class also. That's why I have to stop debate here. Okay? Let's have clap for yourselves.